In today's video, I'm going to teach you send a private message in Teams. If you need to contact one person directly in Microsoft Teams, the process is quick and simple once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to start a private chat message from scratch and send it confidently. To begin, open Microsoft Teams and go to the chat section. This is the area where your direct conversations live. Separate from team channels and group discussions. If you're trying to message someone privately, chat is the right place to start. Take a moment to make sure you're not inside a channel conversation because channel posts are typically visible to others in that team. Once you're in chat, click New Message. This opens a fresh message window so you can start a brand new conversation. If you already have a thread with the person, you could also open that existing chat, but for this tutorial, we're creating a new private message. Next, move to the To field and type the recipient's name. As you begin typing, Teams will usually suggest matching contacts. Select the correct person from the list to make sure your message goes to the intended recipient. It's always a good idea to double check the name before continuing, especially if there are multiple people with similar name in your organization. After that, click into the message box at the bottom and compose your text. This is where you write the actual private message you want to send. Keep your message clear and concise so the recipient understands the purpose right away. If needed, you can include a short greeting or a brief explanation to give your message context. Since this is a private chat, it's useful for quick questions, direct updates, or one-on-one communication that doesn't need to be shared in a channel. When your message is ready, click Send. Your private message will be delivered to that person and the conversation will appear in your chat list for easy access later. From there, you can continue the conversation in the same thread whenever needed. And that's all it takes to send a private message in Teams. Open chat, start a new message, enter the recipient's name, type your message, and send it. Once you've done it once, it becomes a very fast way to communicate directly with someone without posting publicly.